friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my 10 by 20 Parisian style capsule wardrobe. This is a part 2 video to my Parisian style 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe video that I've done the last 3 times here on YouTube. I thought it would just be wonderful to show you guys every time I did the 10 by 10 challenge how many outfits I really could get out of just 10 articles of clothing. So as promised, this is my 10 by 20 Parisian style capsule wardrobe. If you're watching this during the time of publishing, then the challenge is still going on Instagram and you guys are blowing me away. Jessica and I are thrilled to see all of your outfits. The participation has been huge this go around, which means that more and more people are getting the inspiration to create capsule wardrobes for themselves, and I hope that this video will give you even more encouragement and inspiration on how you can stretch your wardrobe further, get more wear out of the items that you have in your closet, and be more, in love with your style. And what's really great is Jessica actually created a 10 by 20 for the first time, and I'm really excited to see her looks. So you can check out the description box below for the link to Jessica's playlist and my playlist for the Parisian style 10 by 10, which has all of the 10 by 20s in there too. Definitely come follow along on Instagram. You are always more than welcome to participate anytime you see this video. It's really not a rule-based challenge. We're so open to having anyone and everyone join in. I also want to mention that on the 22nd of September, which is a Thursday, Jessica and I will be hosting a live workshop that's called the Parisian Style Workshop, where basically we're going to be teaching you how to take that 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe that you built and expand it. How do you create a capsule wardrobe that goes beyond just 10 articles of clothing, where you can learn how to hone in more on your style, figure out your personal style, create outfits for every different occasion, and how you can learn how to declutter and how to streamline your wardrobe. Got some really fun things planned for this workshop. It's about an hour long and it's going to take place on Zoom, so anyone is welcome to join. Whether or not you participated in the challenge really won't matter. You'll still get value if you want to join the workshop. We're going to be giving away styling in the open wardrobe app to one person who joins. So if you end up joining the workshop, you could be one of the people that's chosen to have your wardrobe styled by Jessica and I, which would be so much fun. And as I mentioned in last week's video, Open Wardrobe is generously sponsoring 2 seats to the workshop, so if you happen to buy a ticket and your name is chosen at random, we will definitely refund you the cost of the workshop. And you can click the link in the description box below to sign up for the workshop. And if you missed last week's video where I walked through all of the 10 articles of clothing that I chose, I highly recommend going ahead and checking that out and then coming back to this video. But today I just wanted to share with you the outfits themselves and encourage you guys to build your own 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe, because you really could get, I would say, 20 outfits solid, if not more. Again, I'm going to be sharing with you guys in that workshop some key takeaways about how to get 20 plus outfits out of your capsule wardrobe. Now I would love to share with you the additional 10 outfits that I styled using my Parisian style 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I am really grateful for you if you've been participating in the Parisian Style 10 by 10 challenge on Instagram. Let me know what your biggest takeaway from the challenge has been so far. Like, what are some ahas and benefits you've been experiencing? I would love to give a big shout out to my co-founder of the Parisian Style 10 by 10 challenge, Jessica Harumi, and of course the OG founder of the 10 by 10 challenge, Lee Vosberg, who so kindly shouted us out on her Instagram, and I'm filled with humility and tears of joy right now. So go follow her on Instagram, check out her blog and her newsletter, because she is wonderful. And don't forget that you can still sign up for the workshop even on the day of the workshop, but we would absolutely love to have you there. And if you've got any questions, as always, feel free to drop them in the comments or DM us on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. Feel free to like and share this video because it always helps the channel out so much. Love you all so much, and I will see you again next week. Take really good care of yourself. Au revoir!